Good day, ma'am. My name is John Philip R. Fernando from BS Cream 43. For today's video, I will be reciting the rights guaranteed during the custodial investigation under the Republic Act 7438. The first right is the right to counsel. A person has the right to have an independent and competent counsel, preferably of their own choice. If they cannot afford the service of a counsel, a lawyer must be provided, and no custodial investigation shall be proceeded without the presence of his or her counsel. Next, right to be informed of his rights. They must be informed a person of his or her rights in a language or dialect that they understand at the time of arrest and before questioning. Next, right to remain silent. They cannot compel a person to testify themselves because it is the protection against self-incrimination. Next, right against torture, force, violence. Any use of threats, intimidation, coercion, violence to extract a information or confession is illegal and inadmissible in court. Next, right to confidential communication with their counsel. Communication between a person and their counsel must be private and confidential. Next, right to visit and confer privately. The following has the right to visit and confer privately with a person. First is any person of immediate family. Next, medical doctor, priest, or minister chosen by them or their family. Next, the NGO representative accredited by law. And next, the right to notify their family or relative. The person has the right to have their family, relative, or friend notified immediately after the arrest or detention. Next, right of free assistance. Any indigent persons under the custodial investigation must be provided free and competent legal assistance, usually from the public attorney's office. And ma'am, thank you for listening to the topic about the rights guaranteed during the custodial investigation under the Republic Act 7438. Thank you so much.